Alright, mix everything on up. Now, I didn't think about it till I was doing it, but added some brown to this pile only because I have it now. So, yeah, that should be breaking down a lot better. Alright, I probably lied in the last one, but had to add my brown. Forgot to show that. Then added brown to these two, so that way they could break down that new green evenly. All chopped up. Alright, add a little water. That's that. Flip that one up. I'm done after that. It started out as a big ring, but you know, I started a little too early. But oh well. I'm breaking it down. Alright, plans. As I said, won't touch work pile 1. I might add some brown to this for 2. I'm call that one 3. Work pile 3, I'm gonna add food scraps. Got watermelon today. And breaking it down with the Jason. Nah, I felt this one warm up. Well, I felt this one hot as soon as I opened it. The wind blew a little bit, yeah. I see mid 90s. High 90s, matter of fact. Alright, twin pile number 1, inside temps. Okay, getting up to 80. And this one getting up to mid 80. Low 60s, little mid 60s, but mid 80s. Alright, working pile 2, inside temps. Okay, alright. Again, it was cooking. Y'all saw we got mid 80s. Over. And lastly, the fresh pile. This one coming in at 80, mid 80s at the top. Y'all know it's cooking on the inside. All right. And today I'm going to switch the order up and do working piles, well, the twin piles next, right after. So 60 to 65. And this one getting up close to 70 too. All right, I'm gonna try to do working pile 1 and 2 together today. It's a little cold out, so we're coming in about 60, 59, 58. Okay. 70s. We're on day 12, folks. Day 12. You already know, gotta flip this. Adding food scraps to these two. Probably leave that one alone. Flip this one.